While searching for classroom assessments using technology, I came across multiple resources. I wanted to be able to find assessments that help determine a student's strengths and weaknesses prior to instruction, assess performance during instruction, measure achievement at the end of instruction, compare student performance, and measure growth towards a specific goal or objective. One online tool being utilized by teachers are instant response systems using polls, surveys, quizzes, and forms. There are multiple sources on the internet to provide students with these opportunities, but one resource which allows for all of these platforms is freeonlinesurveys.com. The technology used for this type of assessment can include any type of device with internet access, such as cell phones, tablets, computers, and iPods. It will benefit students by providing a more interactive classroom as well as supporting educators with formal and informal feedback on a variety of topics. Creating an account with freeonlinesurveys.com is very simple. Click on the Sign Up Free button and enter your email address, full name, a created password, and the position you hold. Because I have already signed up for an account, I'm going to log in to show the other features of this website. When you log in, it takes you directly to the dashboard where all of your created assessments will appear. You can now see the assessments I have already created within the program. Each type of assessment is color-coded for quick and easy access. You can also access each of your created assessments by clicking on the assessment type in the gray header. To create a new assessment, click on New Project. Here, you can see the 4 different types of assessments that you can create in the program. Simply click on the type that you would like to begin with. For this example, I will build a new quiz. First, you want to give your quiz a new name. For this, I am going to call it Severe Weather. When you're done with that, click the orange arrow to continue. From here, it has you select a theme from a template. For this, I am going to choose the dark blue template, and then when you are finished, click on Save and Continue. You are now going to start building your quiz. Start by giving your page a name. Click on page 1, and this will let you edit both the page title and page description. I'm going to keep it simple and call this the Severe Weather Quiz. For the page description, I'm going to write the quiz instructions. So you will have one class session to complete this quiz. Be sure to answer every question and write in complete sentences. Be sure to click Save when you are finished. In the menu on the left, you will select the question type by simply dragging and dropping the item onto your page. I'm going to create a multiple choice question. Here, a text box has appeared where I can now write my first question. The first question that I want my students to answer is what causes lightning? The next step is to enter in all of the possible answer choices that the students will see on their quiz. As you can see, I have already placed in all 4 of the possible answers that I would like them to choose from. The other things you need to be aware of is that the point value system over here to the right needs to make sure that there is a 1 by the correct answer. The next thing to do is to make sure that this box right here is clicked, that it says it's a required question for the students to complete. When you're done doing that, go ahead and click Save to continue. As you can see, the question has popped up on our page as the students will see it. To add an additional question, again, click and drag the question type over the page. I'm now going to add a question utilizing the essay box. This option allows students to respond in written text. For this question, I would like the students to explain how a tornado develops. Again, click the required question box and then click Save to continue. Again, you can see that both questions have appeared. A great thing about this quiz creator is that you are able to edit each question directly from this screen. When you hover over each question, a menu appears that allows you to edit, copy, delete, shrink, or move the item. When you've finished inputting all of your questions, you can preview your assessment by clicking on the preview button at the top of the page. When you have finished previewing your quiz, go ahead and close the quiz and it'll take you directly back to your page. The next step of the quiz creation is to apply project options. But because I am accessing the free version of this website, many of these features are not available. Just skip this section and click the rocket icon to launch your quiz. Select the free version of the quiz. As you can see, the program creates a direct link to your quiz. You have the option to get the embed code, post the quiz to a social media site, send it via email, or link it from a classroom website. Click back on your dashboard to view the newly created quiz. As you can see, the newly created quiz has popped up right here. From the dashboard, you are also able to view live results. But honestly, this is one downfall of this site. Because I am only using the free version, I am only able to view responses as a whole group. You are unable to access individual results or filter those results. This means that students will be unable to receive feedback from their quiz, which effective assessments require. To view the pricing of this program, click on the Upgrade tab and select Free Account Limits for a detailed description of each account type. As you can see, the price ranges from free to $180 per year. Many of the features are very similar from the free version to the paid subscription, except in the areas of results and data export. Overall, I think this is a great program for creating online polls, quizzes, surveys, and forms to be used as classroom assessments. Even though the free version has its limitations, this program can be beneficial for both students and teachers. Each assessment type can be designed for specific groups and topics, gives feedback that helps identify successes and weaknesses, shows learning concerns, and allows for reinforcement of content. The results can further help teachers plan and develop curriculum, improve student performance, and encourage higher levels of engagement.